Hope shines here is real for us in Buckner, Kenya. All the situations, all the cases, all of our clients, none had hope. There's no way a child who has no parent, particularly in a developing country like Kenya, where, say, 90% of any successful person is education. If you don't go to school, no hope.
For me, Buckner is the gleam of hope in this country. Let's say children are facing challenges, especially in their upbringing. And I think that brings an opportunity for people to believe in themselves, keep going, keep pushing, because when you're resilient, you might make a life out of it.
We began serving in the city of Nairobi as Buckner Kenya 25 years ago. After several years, we expanded our program. We went to another location called Busia. We began doing the school as we do it here. We began the medical clinics because we do realize two very critical things in the community that has been missing for a long time, and for us to be able to be successful or have a great impact is when we manage the health aspect of our client, our children, when we manage the education aspect of our children. Everywhere we've been moving, we have also established a strong community transformational program where we are now involving our communities, building strong family by strengthening their income level, training them and equipping them and letting them be independent economically. I think the number of the clients that we are serving is what speaks volume. We have spread out in Kenya and we are now in 5 other locations, and the impact has been amazing. We took it upon ourselves that we want to be the pioneer into taking our kids out of the orphanage and taking them to families where we can. Buckner has been there from the beginning up to today in the government, establishing the legal framework around children. People used to convince the government that some kids cannot be adopted locally. But when we began doing it, the government said, no, Buckner is doing local adoption and we are seeing them full of clients. Why? So they removed international adoption. And I can tell you that it has been amazing. Kenyans are adopting Kenyans in big numbers.
A child deserves to be loved. A child deserves to be treated with a lot of dignity and respect. To our policymakers, I'd really want them to work hand in hand with agencies like Buckner to ensure that children are placed in decent families where they are loved and taken care of.
We looked at why are more kids vulnerable? Why are we having more kids want to move to an orphanage? Why are we having more kids unable to have their basic needs? It is because the families that are supposed to take care of them are most vulnerable. They lack the basic necessity, the basic needs that a family will require to take care of children were lacking. Realizing that, we began by approaching how do we become a solution to this family so they can take care of the children. It's strengthening the family, strengthening the economic aspect of the family, strengthening even the spiritual aspect of the family, strengthening a lot of areas that bring together the family.
I believe that Hope Shines Here talks about individual life, the gifts that God has given unto a person, however little it is, can shine to the community and can transform any other person, however the situation, however the background. So change is there everywhere from Buckner, and also it can help shine all over the community. through the vulnerable children and also the seniors.
We have concentrated on getting better at what we do and being more efficient with the resources that we have and serving more even with less, because the need is big. Talking about expansion and talking about improving services and efficiency and getting quality services, that is our prayer. And I know it can happen by partnering with like-minded organizations, other stakeholders, the government, which we are doing so well. I thank God for that. Give those children a chance, touch them, touch their life, and give them an opportunity, a shot at life. So for me, in this ministry, the number of transformed children and who are today adults and living a life that I look back in heaven and thank God for what He's done.
Happy anniversary, Buckner Kenya.
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 Buckner Kenya. Happy anniversary, Buckner Kenya. Happy anniversary, Buckner Kenya. Happy anniversary, Buckner Kenya.
Miaka 25 ya furaha Buckner Kenya.